Struggling to come up with fresh blog ideas for your business? You're not alone. Let's explore 20 creative blog content ideas that will transform your business in 2025. Did you know? Businesses with active blogs get 67% more leads. That's why blogging isn't just an option anymore. It's a necessity for growth. Here are the top 20 ideas, grouped into 4 easy categories. Educational content. You can create how-to guides, industry trends, expert tips, problem-solving posts, resource roundups. For engagement content, you can share behind the scenes, day in the life, customer stories, interactive posts, seasonal content. In case of authority-building content, go for case studies, expert interviews, industry news, future predictions, FAQ posts. For community content, share user-generated content, success stories, company updates, team features, community challenges. Now, remember these quick tips. Post consistently, use engaging visuals. Keep it conversational. Include clear calls to action. Ready to transform your blog? Start with these ideas today. Subscribe for more business growth tips and visit our website for the full guide.